Okay, here's another opportunity for us to look at the market, and it has been a very, very wonderful and funny week lately. And everything just because I think, like traders they say, or in big traders they say, if we are come to the month of November or end of the year or festive period, and that most of the big players in the market they are already, trying to take out their positions, close positions. So that's why we've been having the market consolidating and not really giving us moves lately. So I will just look on GJ today for us to talk about, and I'll show you a trade that I took my community, and which I'm still holding some position in them already. But I'll be closing very soon. So let's just look at GJ and GU. So now this is on the 1 day time frame. As you can see here, we have seen the structure of the market that we are in an uptrend market here, and we have seen the market keep pushing us, giving us price action that is higher highs and higher lows for the structure. And we have this, a low here, a low point here. At the moment now, this is our swing low, and this is our swing high here. So two things are involved. If we can look left, let's go to a 1 week time frame. We can look left, we can see that on a weekly time frame, price on a downtrend. So on a 1 day, it looked like price is trying to go, uh, price is retracing, if we start continue the move to the downside, because here we have our swing low. Here we have a swing low point, so which from the direction of the 1 week time frame, we could see the market coming down right down to this level to clear out the liquidity that is sleeping below here. But everything being equal, we can see from the Fibonacci levels, we can see that from the swing high up here, from the swing high to the swing low, we can already tell that price is already at price is already at a premium zone, right? A premium zone which is really good for selling opportunities already. Premium zone. You can take our Fibonacci from the swing high to the swing low. We can clearly see that price is sleeping on a swing golden zone where more sales are coming in. Should be, expect that sales should be coming in good. So let's switch back to our 1 day time frame, knowing very well that where price is reversing, where price is turning from, or where price tapping is a premium zone where many sellers step into the market. And currently, price is at this level. Price at this level, so yeah, there was a fair value gap here. There's a fair value gap here that tap price. If I go to the 1 day time frame, if I expand, you can clearly see that. If I expand here, you see that there was a fair value gap here and another block sleeping here, of which price tapped there, and we start seeing that change in market structure around this level, right? We first saw the first shift in demand here, shift in market structure, right? I call it the change in character on the 1 week time frame. So the next level by which price could be coming to, if we could take our Fibonacci from this swing low, from this swing high to this swing low, we'll see that price is currently slipping. Price is currently getting to the 50% of the Fibonacci level of the 1 week time frame, and we have our golden zone. Everything being equal should be around this level. This doji candle we can consider to be our golden zone, where you can see price coming, change direction from here for coming to clear the liquidity on the downside, which is very clear. You can see that around here we have this level slipping below here, and below that level, what can you see clearly? We can see that we have a nice other block here slipping after a fair value gap. So we have some imbalance slipping there, and we have liquidity slipping below. So we have something like inducement already. So you can see price coming right down to this level on a weekly time frame. So this could possibly be the potential of the move of Gbpusd user on the higher time frame. So swing traders they always like such positions where they can hold for long. So you can see from here around this area down here, we can see that we are around 1,000 and 1,200 pips for that move. That's a nice move swing traders would like to take. So I'll go now to the 1 day time frame and see what the market is telling me. So on the 1 day time frame, knowing fully well I've marked the higher time frame zones. Coming up again clearly, I can see that there's another good fair value gap sleeping here. So all of this could be what? Inducement. And we have liquidity sleeping below above here. So we can see price is still our zone is still correct. So see, but price still have the potentials of going up to the upside. So there's no need to be looking for increasingly looking for sales here. We have this doji kind of sleeping here, and we should go to the higher time frame. What are we expecting to see? So I can go something like 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, you see where I marked recently. I can come in and say again that there is what a fair value gap sleeping here. So we can possibly see some reversals coming to the market around this area. Right. I'll take Fibonacci from swing low here, swing low point right up here, swing high. We'll see where I have my zone plotted out. That's the golden zone. So we can have some reversals from here to expect buys to the upside because we are seeing an uptrend around this level according to this structure. And price is going, and we are seeing where price is going. So this could be the draw of liquidity, right? Remember the higher time from the 1 day, we are seeing price to come to the upside right here. So we have our next liquidity level sleeping above here because many people are in this market for selling opportunity. They're selling and they have so many stop loss sleeping above here. So price will what thing price would like to do is that price will induce them to keep on selling, holding for a higher time frame, but it might come and reverse from here to come to this upside to create another higher. So we can, but from here we can see that we have another fair value gap sleeping around these areas. And if you can take the Fibonacci from the swing high again, from the swing low rather, swing low to the swing high, you can see that I have another level here. So on this time frame, we have two levels that we need to look out from. We need to look out from. So it should be here. We have entry A, right? We have entry A. This one should be entry A. This one fail. That means price is coming here. So a good reward, good rewards will a good risk to reward will be you looking for entry from around this area, stop loss just below here, TP at this level. If this should fail, you should be looking around this level again. So this is now putting in place a good risk to reward management scheme when you're doing your trading and not forcing things in the market. So you trade what you see and you have a plan. Plan A should fail, you should look for plan B. Plan B should fail, you should look for the next one. And just like that, that's how you take it slowly. So we have two entries on a higher time frame. That's a 4 hour time frame. But expecting price should come to this zone here. Price should come to this zone here and give us that entry. This is one here. We should expect price to come to this level as a buy. If this level should fail, we should be expecting from the second level here. So that's GU on the higher time frame. See, also on the higher time frame, let's go and scale that down to a 2 hour time frame. I take this out so we can be clear. Always make sure you clear your chart so you can have a good perspective, you have a good view. But remember to remember your zones in the market where you're looking for price to come to. So see, we can capture the whole of this bearish candle that was here to be our whole level because from here we're already seeing double bottom. So there's liquidity sleeping below here. So the market will still come and push right to the downside. It was scaling up. So now around this level, any time frame below this should be looking for entry time frame. So we can scale now down to the 30 minute because 1 hour won't be that different. Well, let's go to straight to 45 minute. 45 minute now. What you should be waiting for here as traders, you can see that price was coming down here. As price was coming down here, we had that first change in character here, right? So this, you call this a change in character. This is a change in character, and then now you have the first breaking structure here, right? First breaking structure. Now, so this is your first breaking structure around this level now. So this is the low. This is the low that caused the breaking structure. So around this low, we should be looking for what? For demand zones. For demand zones, right? For demand zone that caused the demand zone after the low that caused the breaking structure when we are doing it because now we are forecasting or we are looking for continuations in this market. So another instrument you can use for that could be Fibonacci levels. If you don't understand this my level, you can check my YouTube video. I posted a video on how to set Fibonacci levels like this. So we have this golden zone sleeping here, 70.50.5, 78.5. This is our golden zone where we can expect price to reverse from. So this will be a very good risk to reward ratio on a trade. So now what you're waiting for is to see now it's getting to 7 p.m. Cameroon time, and the market is already losing volatility already. People are already stepping on the market. So what you need to do is you need to wait to see how the Asian session will play out, how the Asian session will play out. And if the Asian session play out and leave out liquidity on the low and on the high, we need to expect price to come down and go up, because at this level here, you see that this low here of the Asian low has not been tapped out. So there are plenty stop loss sleeping below. Or in other words, you can say Asian session is the liquidity for the New York of the London session. So have liquidity sleeping here and have another one sleeping here. So have this level here, price have not tapped. So price do everything to tap at that level to clear out the liquidity that was sleeping there, right? Price will do everything to endure. So now you can call some sort of inducement or bidding of liquidity. So price is following this guy to come and start buying. You could see for them to buy, and then it comes up, comes down. We finally buy from here and shoot to the upside, right? Because at this level on the 45 minute, we now have a new high that has been formed here. So price could form some sort of inducement right here. All right, price could form some inducement. Trick, you know what inducement really tricks on seller, trick buyers to start buying, and it pushes down to clear out the liquidity below here, right? Price could trick them to start buying around this level. So no, not right at that level. Price could trick them that okay, now they can have something here like a change of character. They say, oh, it's change of character. So price can trick them to start buying around this level, right? Because I've seen that change of character, so they will start buying at this level. So they will act like liquidity in the market. So they start buying around this level, but price will trick them in going up instead, pushing down, clearing the liquidity that's here, and then passing up to clear liquidity. Because now we know that there is liquidity sleeping here, there's liquidity sleeping here. The internal liquidity has been taken out. Understand? You need to understand the external liquidity. These are the external liquidity, and then this one inside is internal liquidity. Because many people came and were doing what? They were buying at this level because they see that the Asian low has been cleared out, right? They can never buying at this level and see why price cleared out the liquidity. When you see a large displacement in the market, it means price have taken out the move that you wanted to do in the market. Also, we had some people, some traders were buying at this level. You can see those trapped out price set. And see how price clear the liquidity coming down to trick these other guys now to follow this double bottom to start buying. But we shall see something of an M shape, or we expect to see something like an M shape, W shape forming there for people trade price pattern, or you will see something like a Judas swing or a turtle swing when it comes to the buys for tomorrow. So tomorrow Thursday, we should be looking for buy on Great British Pound USD once everything confirmed with our analysis. So the analysis we have made already, we should be looking for everything being equal with our analysis. So expect to see this. So don't be in a rush to start. Don't be in a rush to start buying from here. Don't be in a rush to start buying from. Wait for price to clear out the liquidity. Wait for that liquidity run, and then you can buy now. Putting your stop loss around this area below here. If everything works correct the way we are planning it to see, you can buy from here. But to be on the fair side, stop loss below here is okay. Target is here. We're talking about the risk to reward. So you can see this is a 1 is to 2.5. But if you can put your stop loss here, you see that you'll be going to 3.5 risk to reward. So you can see, and the TP, I'm talking of 124 pips around that level of TP. So it's a good trade. If everything aligned the way we want, that would be a very good trade for us to take. So guys, this is my own view of Great British Pound USD. So if you've watched up to this end, what I would like is like, subscribe, follow my page, and don't forget to drop your comment on what next you want me to dwell on. So thank you, and see you on the next one. Marathon, your mentor, signing out.